Okay, good morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all. Okay, so today I'm gonna cook creamy tuna carbonara. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have cheese, cream of mushroom soup, fresh milk, all-purpose cream, tuna, and then garlic, onions, and then butter. Okay, first, cook the pasta first. I just use half of this one because, okay. Oh Lord, it's too much. It's okay. Okay, so we'll cook this one for 10 minutes. We're gonna add a butter. And before I forget, here, the cornstarch is here only. So I'm gonna, a flour, I need flour. I think this is it. I'm gonna get a flour first. Guys, okay, so we're gonna continue. Okay, and now we're gonna add the garlic. Then the onions. Before I forget, I'm gonna try to stir onions. And then we're gonna add the milk, guys. Okay. And then we're gonna add the cream. ay. Magawa ko ko. Magawa ko og. Uy, kainit. Okay, I'm gonna test. So we need a little salt. And then we're gonna put this one first. What is this? Oh, this is for the last one. Okay. We're gonna put the tuna. We drain the water from the tuna. Okay. Guys, look at the tuna. I'm not going to put salt because I have still a cheese and it seems that the cheese is a little salty. So it's yummy na guys. Look at that one. It's super yummy. Okay. So next, I'm going to put the cheese. Oh my god, guys, it's very cheesy already. Mm. Mm. It's good. Little salt, just a little. Okay. And then this one, black pepper. Okay, we taste it again. Okay, guys, I think our sauce is ready. It's very yummy. It's yummy now. Uh, it's okay also, guys, if you put the pasta in the plate and then get a sauce like that. But some of the people will put so much sauce even if they don't need that much. So that's why I'm gonna put it all together. But I'm not going to use all this pasta maybe because it will become dry. I will try. Okay. I think as of now, that's enough. So I'm gonna put it there first. And now we're gonna mix it. It seems that maybe we can put all that one, huh? Because it's not much anymore. Okay. So we put it all. Because how many grams is this? 900 grams. So I think I use maybe 500 grams because that's 900 grams and this one is more than a half. More than a half of the 900 grams. So maybe this is 500 grams of pasta. Mm. Okay, guys. And then I'm gonna get a fork. Oh, you have your own fork also. Try to taste. Mm. Mm. It's enough for me. Try yours. Okay. We're gonna garnish with that the rest of the tuna, guys. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese. Okay, guys. Look at our tuna creamy carbonara. Tuna creamy carbonara. And then, okay, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna taste, guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste her just a little bit. Okay, that's enough because I don't need so much. Tuna carbonara. Mm, okay, it's mm, 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 mm. Sarap sa panlasa, guys. The pasta is al dente. It's very yummy if it is al dente, guys. Mm. It's very yummy if you cook the pasta al dente. Mm, 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 mm. It's very yummy, guys. Okay? It's good for Mother's Day. Okay. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Okay? Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, my TikTok, my uh, YouTube, Facebook page, personal blog, and and to all my accounts, guys, to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day!